In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a scope box in Revit. A scope box is a simple rectangular boundary that helps you control which parts of your project are shown and coordinated across multiple views. It is especially useful for keeping plans, sections, and elevations consistent and well organized. Start by opening a plan view or switching to a 3D view where you can clearly see your building. A plan view provides a straightforward top-down perspective, making it easier to align the scope box with the building's geometry. A 3D view gives you more context, which can help when considering how the box relates to the overall structure. Zoom in on the area you want to control and make sure the model is unobstructed so you can place the scope box accurately. Next, go to the View tab and select Scope Box. This activates the tool and prepares your cursor for drawing. You may notice that the cursor changes, confirming that you are in the correct mode. Click once to define the first corner, then click and drag to sketch a rectangle around the area you want to manage. Release the mouse button to place the scope box. While drawing, try to keep the box slightly larger than the content you want to include so that important elements are not accidentally clipped. If you are working in a 3D view, remember that you are defining a rectangular footprint in plan, which will extend vertically. You can adjust its height later if needed. Once placed, the scope box appears as a transparent frame with grips at the corners and midpoints. These grips allow you to fine-tune the size and alignment so it matches key walls, grids, or other reference elements in your model. This visual frame confirms that the scope box is active and ready to be referenced by different views in your project. Creating a scope box in Revit is a quick but powerful way to organize your drawings and maintain consistency across multiple views. By choosing the right view, activating the scope box tool, and carefully drawing and adjusting the rectangle, you can keep your documentation clean, clear, and well coordinated. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, consider exploring more Revit tips and workflow guides to improve your modeling and documentation efficiency.